2015 RAV4. Right brake light is out. Gonna go ahead and change it. Pretty simple. Just open up the rear hatch. Two 10mm bolts, and there's a clip up here, I'm assuming. Usually is. Just pull it out, and that's how easy it is. You don't need to use an impact on this, cordless impact, but I have one. Just be careful. Be careful with this. Wiggle it just a little bit. All right, it's kind of on there. Since we're dealing with plastic here, go ahead and use a plastic pry tool. Just be careful. So I was prying on it a little bit. It's kind of tough. I'm afraid I might damage it. So let's see if I could kind of wiggle it and force it loose just by doing this. Don't want to go too crazy. There you go. That little, I don't even know what you call that. There's a clip right here, but it just slides on to this, like so. And that's how you get to the bulb. So let's see, which one is it? So the one on the bottom is the signal, the one on top is the brake light. It's a dual filament, so one's for your parking light, the other's for the brake light. Booyah, it's burnt out. So to change it, just pull out like this. Got this from AutoZone. It's a 2-pack. I think it was like $7.99, $8, somewhere around there. So you just put it in the little slot, little brake bulb connector. Get it up in there, nice and square. Hear that snap? That's what you want. Boom. Locked, good to go. Slide it up on in. Slide it in there, put the 2 bolts back on. Make sure to do it by hand first before you zap away. Don't need to go to town. Voila, that's how you do it. All 3 brake lights are working. You really should change it in pairs because eventually the left side will go out, but I'm just gonna do the right side tonight. All right, we out here in Georgia, Brunswick, Georgia to be exact. Me and the group are gonna be heading over to Savannah. Check that out and see what that's all about. Here picking up our rental car, and we should be on our way shortly. Here's our rental car. It's a Durango. Got a Hemi in it. Oh yeah, got a hood scoop, so you know it's fast. Oh shoot, it's a white car. It's hella fast now. Right, we straight. Just got to pick up the rest of the crew. I'm gonna caption this when you're the only one in the car that knows this song. We in Savannah, Georgia. Is that the right accent?
I don't even know.
Savannah, Georgia.
What the fuck just happened?
Did you throw something out the window?
No.
What the fuck is happening? Hey, what's up, girl? What's up?
Free beer topless bartenders? Oh, let's go there, bro.
Really? Now.
Yeah.
All right, we out here, Savannah. There's a Savannah Convention Center. Obviously, it says it on there. You want to be in the video?
What up, homie?
He said, "What up, homies?" Savannah, Georgia. Hey, what are you doing up there? Checking out the coffee. The 8K. Got their hot sauce over here. Hey, there's something I'm familiar with.
You know your drink?
Starbucks. I don't know. Damn! That is huge. All right, we out here at District Smokehouse. Y'all look like you're from California. Oh, SD represent. Enjoying this fine Sunday, East Coast time. To New Beginnings.
Oh, I know. He doesn't have his drink yet.
Oh God, man, this guy.
He said this.
All right, cheers.
Yeah, that's deep.
Yeah.
Cali.
Balls deep.
Balls deep. Okay. All right, about to go get some wet willies. They're like, what the heck? Wet willies. Walking down the street, River Street. About to get some wet willies. All right, this is it. We found the willy. Found the willy. All right, we out here. They're deciding on their drinks. There's the menu. You guys know what you're getting? Yeah.
Call a cab.
Call a cab. Drink responsibly. Oh, that's it. All right, got our drinks. Looking at this view with this boat coming by. Some steamboat looking thingy. That's not just a squirrel. That's a Georgia squirrel. All right, we're on top of some bridge overlooking the Savannah, what do you call it? Savannah River? I don't know. River Street, folks. Oh, we get to put the padlock on here. Yeah, should have. 22003. And we're back. Wet willies. What drink you getting, Karime?
I'm getting sex on the beach, actually. Yeah.
On the beach.
I want the sex on the beach.
Christopher?
What's up? Oh, I'm gonna get that Jack and Ginger, baby.
Oh, shoot, he said baby.
Where are we at, Ernie?
Oh, wet willies. Got the willy days, you know?
Do a little cheers.
Cheers, tap.
Pinkies up.
What is it?
Trophy wife, trophy husband.
Oh, that's a good one. I need Husband of the Year award. That's what I need.
I want
These nuts. Oh, gotta do the Ric Flair drip. Woo! 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 Just walking down Savannah Street now, enjoying the scenery. This is River Street. It'll mess up your alignment real good. You won't see my team cruising down this street. Look at these cars, they gonna mess up their alignment.
Pinkies up, my boy.
Pinkies up. Pinkies up. Cheers. Cheers.
Denver wide receiver.
This view we got over here.
Wide receiver.
We're over here at the Myrtle and Rose Rooftop Garden enjoying the view. Look at this view from the bridge. The river right there. This is River Street. They got the steamboat coming around.
Do a little cheers for SD.
Cheers. San Diego 699 represent.
ass out of the way.
Pinkies up.
Pink is up. Cheers. What are you doing now?
Woo! How's everybody driving their race cars out here?
Sucking gas and hauling ass.
All right, just had dinner. Just want to check out this street. Georgia, Georgia.
Dude.
Woo! Everybody good?
Yeah, let's go.
Except
How's your
Carlito,
booty
he's
hole?
trying to play some bomb music.
Play some bomb. Play some more Heavy D. It's entertainment. Got to record all this laughter. Too bad it's dark.
Christy,
Oh shit, we're going under the bridge, guys.
Oh
on.
shit!
we're going onto it.
Damn, these rowdy kids.
Oh shit, we're getting trapped in. I turned into some random ass fucking road. And this guy fucking. You're gonna keep going. You're not gonna fucking pull over. He's too busy looking for haunted
I don't know, it looks like an abandoned school.
Norman, you fucking stop.
I'm fucking trying. What the fuck you want? There's a car right next to you. You're the type of woman says good things. A head full of rings. I just want to show.
We should.
A little green matcha.
I'm gonna like
Matcha.
Fucking put them in your fridge.
Just leave it there, no ice. Separate all the ingredients. And this is everyone's grade.
No. Might as well. Since we're out here in Georgia, decided to try to get a Powerball ticket real quick. See if we could get it. We gotta get it. All right, we just landed in Dallas. Gotta find the closest restroom. Give this bladder a break. Texas. Damn, this is a big ass airport. So big, we gotta take a tram. Crazy.
Please do not block the doors. Allow people to enter.
Man, that thing was quick. Almost fell inside there. This is San Diego's airport. Just whopped. Gotta say, this is a big airport compared to San Diego. Finally, we made it back to San Diego. Sweet home Alabama. I mean San Diego. What?
It's like this side that you want to hit. Hold it, it's hard.
All right, finally in the car, headed home, but first, gotta get some tacos. All right, it's about 82 degrees here in San Diego with 21% humidity. I'm cool with that. Oh yeah, just pulled up to the spot. One thing I miss about San Diego is Mexican food. When you've been gone for a while, gotta hit it up. Gotta have the salsa. Hey, we got visitors. We got visitors. All right.
Did Mama go to you? No.
Back home. Yeah, he did. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Mama, who's here?
I see it.
Don't give away.
Anyway, hope you guys had a good one. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.